Have you ever wondered about the bedrock of a thriving online business? The very foundation upon which countless dreams are built, from a dazzling logo to a fully functional website and even legal incorporation? If you've dipped your toes into the world of entrepreneurship, especially in the digital age, chances are you've come across a name that promises to simplify this entire journey: Tailor Brands. But how long, exactly, has this company been empowering entrepreneurs? It's a crucial question, isn't it? In the fast-paced, ever-evolving landscape of online tools and services, longevity often speaks volumes. It hints at stability, a proven track record, and a commitment to adapting and growing with its users. Before we dive deep into the specific timeline of Tailor Brands, let's set the stage a little. Think about the sheer complexity involved in launching a business just a decade or two ago. You'd need to hire a graphic designer for a logo, a web developer for a website, a legal expert for incorporation, and then somehow tie all of these disparate elements together. It was a fragmented, often expensive, and frankly daunting process. Many aspiring entrepreneurs with brilliant ideas but limited resources found themselves overwhelmed before they even truly began. This is the problem that companies like Tailor Brands set out to solve. They aim to democratize the process of business creation, making it accessible, affordable, and, dare I say, even enjoyable for the everyday person. Their promise was to put the power of professional branding and business setup into the hands of anyone with an idea and an internet connection. So, when exactly did this vision begin to take shape? When did Tailor Brands first open its virtual doors and start helping people turn their entrepreneurial dreams into reality? The answer might surprise you, given how ubiquitous their presence seems to be today. Tailor Brands was officially founded in 2014. Yes, 2014. That means as of mid-2025, Tailor Brands has been in business for over a decade. 10 years might not seem like an eternity in the grand scheme of corporate history, but in the realm of rapidly advancing technology and the dynamic online business world, it's a significant amount of time. Let's put that into perspective. In 2014, Instagram was only 4 years old and still finding its footing. TikTok didn't even exist. AI, while a known concept, was far from the everyday tool we see integrated into so many services now. When Tailor Brands launched, the concept of an AI-powered platform for logo design and comprehensive business building was truly innovative, almost futuristic. The company was founded by Yali Sar, Nadav Schatz, and Tom Laha. Their shared vision was to make branding and design tools accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget or technical skills. They recognized the pain points faced by small businesses and entrepreneurs and sought to create a streamlined, all-in-one solution. Their initial focus was on leveraging artificial intelligence to automate the logo creation process, a groundbreaking approach at the time. Imagine, instead of going back and forth with a designer, you could input your preferences in industry, and an AI would generate a range of professional-looking logos for you to choose from. This was a game-changer for many. From its humble beginnings as primarily a logo maker, Tailor Brands quickly began to expand its offerings. This is a testament to their understanding of the evolving needs of their target audience. They realized that a logo, while crucial, was just one piece of the puzzle. Entrepreneurs needed more. They needed websites, business cards, social media graphics, and eventually even assistance with legal formation. Over the years, Tailor Brands has systematically added features and services, transforming into the comprehensive business-building platform it is today. They've integrated website builders, tools for creating digital business cards, social media schedulers, and perhaps most notably LLC formation services. This pivot, particularly during challenging times like the recent global pandemic, allowed them to truly become an end-to-end solution for aspiring business owners. The company's longevity and growth aren't just about adding features. They're also about adapting to market demands and securing significant investment. In 2021, Tailor Brands secured a substantial $50 million in funding, with GoDaddy, a major player in the domain and web hosting industry, leading the investment round. As of 2023, their total funding had reportedly surpassed $70 million. This kind of investment speaks volumes about investor confidence in their business model and their long-term viability. It shows that they are not just a fleeting trend but a serious contender in the business services landscape. This sustained investment has allowed Tailor Brands to continue innovating, improving their AI algorithms, enhancing user experience, and expanding their suite of tools. They've evolved from a simple logo generator to a platform that guides users through almost every step of setting up, managing, and growing a business. They offer everything from business name checks and trademark assistance to annual compliance guidance, all designed to demystify the often complex world of entrepreneurship. So, while Tailor Brands may not have the multi-decade history of some corporate giants, their more than 10 years in business represent a significant journey of innovation, adaptation, and sustained growth in a highly competitive digital arena. They've proven their resilience, their ability to evolve, and their commitment to simplifying the entrepreneurial journey for millions of individuals worldwide. Their decade-plus in operation is a strong indicator of their legitimacy and their continued relevance in empowering the next generation of business owners. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.